Hi, I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, and I wanted to share with you another one of the strategies that I've learned by really networking and talking to some of the best loan officers and best realtors from across the United States. And this is an open house strategy that's very simple to employ, and I can tell you the returns can be huge if you're doing it properly. So with an open house, generally what ends up happening is a realtor will hold an open house open and hope that someone comes in who's not being represented by another realtor. Oftentimes when you go to brokerages, they talk about, walking the neighborhood first, letting everyone know about the open house. However, I can tell you, if you're like me, soliciting, door knocking generally isn't one of the things that I find most enjoyable. So one of the things you can do to kind of get in touch with some of the people that are around the home where you're having an open house is about 30 minutes to an hour beforehand. Just go next door to the immediate three houses that are next to the open house on the right. Just knock on the door and let them know, hey, I'm having an open house between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock next door. If anyone parks in front of your house, please let me know. Here's my card, just give me a call and I'll ask them to move their car. The reason this is so impactful is because if you're like me and anyone parks in front of your house, your first thought is, who just parked in front of my house? Why are they parked there? We all know that obviously the streets are public, but when someone parks in front of your house, it is something that starts to be a little unnerving. So giving people the common courtesy, letting them know there's an open house going on, here's my card, let me know if someone is parking in front of your house and I'll ask them to move, is a great courtesy. It also opens up the opportunity for them to then ask some questions. What is the house for sale for? What's going on in the neighborhood? How quickly are homes moving in the neighborhood? So you do this not just on the house that's immediately to the right of the property, but go ahead and go 3 doors down, then go across the street, hit another 3 homes on the right side, then on the left side, 3 homes, and immediately to the left of the house, another 3 homes. So in essence, plan on hitting about 12 homes. And again, this is just a common courtesy. You're not there to solicit. You're not there to do anything but let them know that you're having an open house. Here's your business card. If anyone parks in front of their yard, to please let you know, and you'll kindly ask those people to go ahead and move their car. In any case, I am happy to share some of these tips and conversion strategies with you. So if you have any additional questions, please just let me know. Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, 972-672-3246, and make it a great day. Thanks.